1605. A failed plot, a captured man, and a fiery tradition. Question. On which date do people in Great Britain celebrate Bonfire Night with fireworks? It's 5th November. It comes from a failed assassination. Back in 1605, Guy Fawkes and his group tried to blow up Parliament to kill King James I. But the plot was foiled, and Fawkes was caught red-handed. Since then, the UK has celebrated with fireworks, bonfires, and even burning his effigy. A fiery history, quite literally. Enjoyed the quiz? Like and subscribe for more fun quizzes. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a challenge. Thank you.